In this video, we will be installing AWID's Ultra High Frequency Windshield Tag for use with the LR3000 and the LR2000. This windshield identification tag can read up to 25 feet and can only be mounted once. After the adhesive cures, attempting to remove the tag may damage it. To maximize the read range of the tag should be placed on the inside of the windshield directly to the left or to the right of the rearview mirror, unless your vehicle manual says otherwise. Once you have determined the best location for the placement of your tag, you can start the installation. Begin by cleaning the location where the tag will be mounted. Peel the plastic backing sheet gently from the adhesive, then place the tag firmly in the desired location. Press from the center, working your way outwards to ensure a strong adhesion. The adhesive will fully cure in 24 hours, but the tag will be ready to use right away. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.